Okay, Facebook fam, friends, family, and others whom happen to see this video by happenstance. This is no dress rehearsal. I have reached out to those that I know through Facebook to do what we can to alleviate the suffering of this terrible, terrible tragedy which is unfolding in Haiti. I have asked my Facebook friends to donate $5 to this cause. I understand that as Americans, we are going through some economic and financial times. However, I have lights. You have food. I have water. You have shelter. We have order. 1 in 3 Haitians in this moment have none of these basic necessities. Their country is in chaos. People are taking shelter under the open sky in fears of more aftershocks and falling buildings, and bodies are piling up in the streets in front of hospitals because there's not enough doctors to take care of all the injured. We must respond with urgency, and we must respond to save those that we can, and we must respond right now. So I urge you all to give what you can give. If you don't have any money, I know you all have cell phones, and you can bill it to your cell phone. You can text yele, Y-E-L-E, to 505-505, which is Wyclef Jean's foundation, and the money is going to go to this earthquake relief. It is legit. Don't be hesitant about your dollars, because we do not have any more time to waste. Haitians are a resilient people. Haitians are strong people who will rise out of this horrific earthquake. However, they need us to do whatever we can right now to make that possible. Please give. I've been off all day. I've been putting messages on my Facebook, but I thought, hey, I got to speak. You need to hear my voice because this is serious. It's serious. Thank you. Hey, what's going on? It's Tracy again. I got caught up in the moment about this crisis, about this horrific tragedy unfolding in Haiti, only hundreds of miles from our what am I trying to say? I tried to edit this video because I gave you the wrong text number. What you want to text is 501. 501, not 505, 505. It's 501, 501. I urge you all, whoever sees this video, understand. We're talking a tragedy of almost biblical proportions. Imagine this. Imagine having a family. You live in America. You have a family, but you're dirt poor. You basically live on the streets. You might live in a corrugated shack, but you're poor. Every day you struggle to eat. Every day you struggle to fetch water. Every day you struggle to survive, to provide for your family, to make money, to exist. Imagine you do this every day of your life into that everyday situation, it's a normal day for you. That's just what you do. And then take a 7.0 earthquake on top of your daily activities to survive.